This is a walkthrough of the UK Intermediate Mathematical Challenge, February 2004. It's a 1-hour paper. You can't use calculators or rulers, any other measuring forbidden, like a protractor. 5 marks are awarded for each correct answer in questions 1 through to 15. And then 6 marks are awarded for each correct answer in questions 16 through to 25. There are incorrect answers when you actually do the challenge for real, but in my classes, I ask you to ignore these because I would much rather you try as many questions as possible, and I'll give you full marks as per these here, 5 marks for questions 1 to 15 and 6 for the remainder. We'll start with question 1. What is the value of 4,002 subtract 2,004? The answer is D, about 1998.